Sigiriya, the majestic rock fortress of Sri Lanka. Welcome back to our channel, explorers. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to the heart of Sri Lanka, where we'll unveil the awe-inspiring Sigiriya Rock. Join us as we delve into the rich history, architectural marvels, and breathtaking views that await us atop this ancient rock fortress. So, without further ado, let's begin. Sigiriya Rock, also known as the Lion Rock, is an iconic UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka. Rising 200 meters above the surrounding landscape, this remarkable rock formation boasts a fascinating history and extraordinary beauty. Legend has it that Sigiriya was once a royal palace, built by King Kasyapa in the 5th century. Our journey to the top starts at the grand entrance, where we'll encounter two enormous lion paws carved into the rock. These paws once served as the gateway to the magnificent palace that lay ahead. Let's step into the past and imagine the awe-inspiring grandeur that greeted visitors as they made their way through these colossal paws, which unfortunately are now all that remains of the lion figure. Are you ready? Let's go! As we ascend the ancient staircase, we're treated to mesmerizing frescoes known as the Sigiriya Maidens. These vibrant paintings, carefully preserved for centuries, depict celestial nymphs in all their ethereal beauty. It's truly a window into the artistic and cultural legacy of ancient Sri Lanka. Take a moment to appreciate the colors, the finesse, and the skill that went into creating these masterpieces. They are a testament to the creativity and skill of the artisans of that era. We've made it to the halfway point. From here, we can catch our breath and admire the stunning panoramic views that unfold before us. The surrounding landscape, with its lush forests, vibrant fields, and distant mountains, is a sight to behold. Trust me, the climb is worth every step. Just look at this incredible vista. Can you imagine the sense of wonder the ancient inhabitants of Sigiriya must have felt every day? It's truly a place where nature's beauty and human ingenuity intertwine. The last leg of our ascent takes us to the summit of Sigiriya Rock. Here, we'll explore the ruins of the royal palace, once adorned with lavish gardens, intricate water fountains, and stunning architectural features. While the palace may be in ruins today, it still exudes a certain grandeur that transports us back in time. The water gardens, terraces, and remnants of the palace itself give us a glimpse into the opulence and sophistication of King Kasyapa's reign. As we conclude our unforgettable journey to Sigiriya Rock, we're left in awe of this incredible feat of engineering, art, and history. The rock stands tall as a testament to the ingenuity and vision. We think you are truly fell in love with this nature's beauty. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more engagements. And also press the bell icon to be the first to visit our next videos. Thank you. Let's meet with a new video like this.